To my YouTube channel, I would like you to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Now, we want to look at arithmetic operation on solved. So, we are talking about here addition and subtraction. That's all what arithmetic on solved is all about. Now, have addition, and subtraction. Now, how do we tackle this question? We have solve this. Now, take note. Whenever you have addition or solved, you first check out for some criteria. So one of those criteria is, now are they the same? Are they the same? If they are the same, then we should assume that they are like, let me give you an example. They are like unknowns like x plus x. X plus x is 2x. That's how it goes. So since they are the same, so solving this with that ideology, now we have that a, we have root 3 plus root 3. We have 2 root 3, just like we did here. So it's very, very easy. So what it means is that, let me put it in a proper form. Here we have 1 here. So this is just like 1 root 3 and 1 root 3. So when you bring out one of those 3 and add 1 plus 1, you have 2. So any which ways, you can also see it as this. So that. Then we have b now. B we have root 4 plus root 5. Considering what I said you should consider now, you discover that these two are not the same. So what you now look at again, you find out, can I break anyone down? That means, can I express anyone further into a source form? I guess can I express anyone in a lower form? Like for this one is not in source form, I express it as 2 because square root of 4 is what 2, then plus 5 here. That is 5 here. What we'll be having is now our final answer will be 2 plus root 5. That's our final answer. Why? Because they are not the same. So there's nothing I can do what's there. So it's just like that as the answer. Then we have C. What is our C? We have 2 root 7 plus minus this. So what do we do here? We simply what? We subtract. Now here is just like 1 root 7. I've told us. So anyone does not have anything outside, it's just like 1 instead. So what do you do now? So we have 2 minus 1. So you can bring it here, 2 minus 1 all into root 7. So what will you have? You now have 1 root 7, which is still the same thing as root 7. So another way you can take it as is bringing my own ideology now into this. Now have here I can say 2y minus 1y, which is still y. What will you have? You actually have what? Y. So since we have y, that means I will have root 7. So assuming I will have maybe it's plus 2y plus y will give me 3y. 3y. So therefore 2 root 7 plus 1 root 7 or plus root 7 will give me what? 3 root 7. So this y represents my root 7. So anyhow you want. I get maybe one that is easier for you to understand it. Use that method to understand it. So I will be giving us more questions on this. Now here go further questions on this. So if you are willing, you can pause the video and try this one out, though it is more tedious. Now let's see how to solve this. Now solution. We have the first value here, this, and this. Now how do we solve this? Let me just go straight to the point. Now here we express it in short form because anyone that we have not brought out the perfect square in it completely, it means it's not yet in short form. So express all these values in short form, then try to compute them. Find the ones that are like them, put them together. The ones that are not like them, put them together. But whenever you see values like this, they are trying to bring out there's always a like them in series of them. Series of those values might be odd, might not be odd. Let's see what we have here. We have a here. Now, what is the perfect square in this 18? We have 9. So 9 times 2 is what will give us 18. Then minus 200. What is the perfect square in 200? 2 times 100. Or 100 times 2. Then plus, what again do we have for this 3 roots? We have 2 times 25. So from here now, I've already got my answer now. I'll have 4. Then square root of what? 9 gives us 3. So 3 will come outside, then 2 will be inside, then here we'll have 10, 10 will come outside, then 2 is remaining inside because the square root of 100 is 10, so it will come outside. Then 3 here, then what will come outside here is what? This one, 5. Multiply by 5, then 2 is remaining inside because the square root of 25 is 5. So from here we'll have 12, then root 2, then minus 10 root 2 plus 15 root 2. So from here now we discover that they are now like them. So everything is actually like them. So what do you do here? What you do is you take one of the 2, as I told you, then you will take one of the 2, then you add or compute everything together, add and subtract everything, will have 12 minus 10, then plus 15. So 12 minus 10 is 2. 2 plus 15 is 17 root 2. That we have it, 17 root 2. So it's not hard to solve. So just do it. So you can take this one according to my own ideology as 12x minus 10x plus 15x. So you finally you have 17x, which is 17 root 2. So very easy. So the second one we'll have here. This one is the lowest form. There's no other perfect square here. No perfect square, no perfect square, no perfect square. So it's very, very easy. So what we just do is collect like terms. L, CLT. So what do we do? We have 3. We have 3. Then what are the values that have 3 here? It's only these 2 values. So we take one of the 3, then add the values outside. Then it will now be what? 5. Actually, this one is minus 3. So 5 plus minus 3. But minus times plus 15 minus. So let me not just go over that one. So we have 5 minus 3. Then 3 is outside. Then we now have finally plus. Then we take one of the 2. Then add what is outside also. 2. Okay, this one said is also minus. So minus 1. So minus 1. I don't know if I'm confused. Here, what you have is what? Root 2. So it means minus is here. So bring these 2. Just like saying, I can express this thing here. Let me express it in the way you understand. So at 5, I'll take this one as x. So let's say where root 3 is what? X. Then plus, then take root 2 as y. So I have 2y. Then here minus 3x. Then minus 1 because there is nothing there. So it's just 1y, which is 3y. So what we do, if we want to collect like this, this one is from our JS3 already, we know this. This plus minus what? This will come together because there is no crossing of equal sign. Then plus 2y minus y, that's what we have. So when we minus this 2, that will give us 2x. That will give come here. Then here will now give us plus 1y or y. So if I want to using this alone now, bottom my answer, I will just say 2 root. Since x was what? 3, I'll put 3 here plus. Then here, I'll put 2. So this is my answer. This is my answer using that ideology. But let's just do it the normal way. Then this minus this is still 2 root 3. Then plus 2 minus 1 is still 1 root 2. So we see that it's the same thing. The same thing. So anyhow you want, you can be using this method to understand if you are confused. Then let's see C, the value for C. Then we'll have root. This one here, we know that what we multiply to give us 48. We can start breaking it down using 2 or 4. I get it. You get if you use 2, it will be 2 multiplied by 24. If you use 4, it will be 4 multiplied by 12. But let me just go straight to the point. We have 3 times 16. That's the highest one. No matter how you break it down, this 16 that will be the highest. Then you can extract from that. We'll have 4. Open bracket root. We'll have 9 times 10. It's only 9 that is the highest. Then minus 2 root. What is the highest here is 4 times 10. Then plus, we have 27, 9 times 3. That's 9 that is the highest perfect square you can see from that. So how do we now solve this? From here, we have What is the square root of 16? We have 4 root 3 plus, what is the square root of 4 is already outside. What is the square root of 9 multiplied by 3? Because the 3 will come outside. Then root 10. Then finally minus 2 multiplied by, what is the square root of 4 is 2 root 10. Then plus, then this one, what is the square root of 9? 3 root 3. So we are in the verge of getting our final answer. Then here we have our final answer. So this is a step and this is the next step. So follow that way. So to now find out what are the like things. 10 is here. 10 is here. So they are like each other. This is here and this is here. 3. So I'll bring them together. So we'll have 4 plus 3, all in bracket, then roots. Since they are both having 3, we'll have 3 here. So plus, then this multiplied by this is 12, it will be in the bracket. Then this multiplied by this is 4, so minus 4. So into root 10. So this plus this will give you 7 root 3. Then plus, this minus this will give you 8. So 8 root 10. So this is the final answer. So let me help those that don't understand. I can use that my method again. So let's take this guy 3 to be what? A. So it will be 4a plus this multiplier is really 12. So 12. Then let's take 10 as b. Then minus this multiplied by this is also 4. Then take this one as b also. Then plus finally we have 3. Then a, because I took root 3 as a, and then I took 10, root 10 as b. So collecting like things, you can easily just do this, and then when you get your final answer, you put back your values. Then here we'll have 4 root, okay, let's do it, 4a minus, or plus, because we're not crossing equal sign, then plus 3a, then plus 12b minus 4b. Minus 4b. Then this plus this will give you what? A. No, not a, 7a. Then plus this minus this will give you what? It will give you 8b. So you can say plus 12b minus 4b give you this. Then this plus this give you this. So if I put my value back, now be 7. Our a is what? Our a is 3 root 3. Then plus our b is root 10. So that's the final answer. I hope the trick was worthwhile. So please take good note of this. If you don't understand this other formula or method, so I would like you to subscribe, like, comment, and share, so that when I post any other video, you'll be the first to have it.